What's up guys, Yosef here from Driver's Edge. This is a little behind the scenes video of how I make my videos. Today we're at Audi of Fort Lauderdale. We're getting to review this absolutely beautiful Audi TT RS, so I'm really excited about that, and yeah, I thought I'd bring you on for the ride. Enjoy. But we start off by doing the thumbnail. So I'm gonna take a picture of myself first, get that selfie going, take a picture of the car, and then we'll get into all the little detail shots. And I hope you're having let me do it again. How's it going, everyone? Yosef back here with another video, and I hope you're having an amazing week so far. Today, you see a lot of people are so used to speed that is... It's okay. How's it going, everyone? Yosef back here with another video, and I hope you're having an amazing week so far. Today, we are going to answer a very important question, but... How's it going, everyone? Yosef back with another video, and I hope you're having an amazing week so far. Today we have something very, very special and unique, and that is a 2021 Audi TT RS. And what I want to figure out is, can this thing still put a smile on your face in today's world? You see, even though this thing puts out almost 400 horsepower from a 2.5 liter turbocharged 5-cylinder engine, people are so used to insane speed and insane acceleration from hybridization and electrification, and well, I feel like people are a little desensitized. So does something like this still put a smile on your face? Well, today we're going to find out. But before we get into the video, if you're new to the channel, my name is Yosef. I'm a car enthusiast with 3 kids and a car person in the past. So if you're interested in my perspective, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single upload every single week. Alright, so now that we did the sort of main introduction for the video, we're going to talk a little bit about the history of the TT RS, and then we're going to start with all the features and capabilities of it and talk about the power and performance, all that cool stuff, and then we get to go for our drive. So check this out. Okay, so now you want to know what happens behind the scenes. Well, we finished recording the video, come home, I put everything on the laptop, and then it's all about starting the edits. So I figured I'd show you a little bit about how that works and what goes on the back end, and that's really how I put out a video. Now, you'll notice that the video that I'm editing is a little bit different than the Audi TT video that we started with. There's a reason for that, I'm not going to get into it, but check it out. So, I have everything on the computer here. I import everything into CapCut. That's the program that I use to do all my edits, and you'll see I finished editing this particular video, which is the Kia Stinger one. And, well, there's a lot that goes into this. You go through the timeline, you can see all the overlays and videos and audio pieces and little sound effects and things that I add into my videos, text, stuff like that. There's a lot that goes into this, and at the end of it, when it's all said and done, we've got, in this case, a 33-minute video that is ready to watch. Play around with all the different settings to make sure I get it exactly how I want it, and then away we go. So once this is done, which it now is, I can close this off, and you can see over here, we've got a full video ready to go. And that's basically it. It's about 12:10 in the morning right now, and I just finished editing this video, so you can see it takes quite a long time to do all this work on the back end. Tomorrow it's going to go up. It'll be available so you can watch it at probably around 10 or 11 o'clock in the morning. And then all the social media stuff gets done. So usually it takes me about 10 to 15 hours to produce a video, upload it, and deal with all that stuff. And that's basically it. That's a day in the life of making a video with Yosef at Driver's Edge. Hope you found that insightful and fun. Catch you in the next one.